Hello YouTube, where are we at?
The European Lunar Symposium.
2019.
Hi Sarah, how are you finding the conference so far?
It's good. It's been really interesting, learning lots I didn't know about the moon.
Very good. And you've been doing a very good job along with Tom tweeting out.
Oh well, we tried.
Very good.
Follow hashtag ELS 2019.
Be across the screen right now. So behind me is tonight's poster session. Let's take a look. Hello Marissa.
Hi there, John. How are you?
Pretty good, thanks. What's your poster about?
So my poster is linking the morphology of different volcanic deposits, like we can see here, to the volatile content of the magma that created them. So obviously, if you have more volatiles, more gases in a magma, your eruption is going to be a lot more explosive. So using the distances over which these deposits have travelled, I'm going to be inferring, using a magma ascent model and an eruption model, what the volatile content of the magma was.
Good stuff. Hello.
Hello, I'm Rowland Curtis. I'm from the University of Oxford, and today I'm talking about how we're going to understand heat transfer on the moon. So, in permanently shadowed regions at the poles of the moon, we think there is water ice, and we need to be able to better constrain where that water ice is by understanding the temperature profiles of those craters at the poles. So, the way we're trying to do that is we have samples of moon dust, and in the lab we're looking at how light is reflected over a whole suite of angles, so we can try and better understand how those craters are being heated by the mechanisms of reflected light on those areas of the moon.
Rowan, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Cheers.
Hello, how's it going?
Hi,
What's your poster about?
I'm Zoe Moreland, and I did this project as a part of my undergraduate with Katie. And this poster shows that we had a lunar meteorite that has a large piece of metal in it, and we think that that metal is meteoritic in origin.
This piece here.
Yeah, this piece here. So we think that it fell on the moon and was incorporated into the regolith, and then that material then fell to Earth as a meteorite. So we've then been going through and doing major element analysis to try and discern whether or not it reflects native lunar metal. And so far it suggests it's not, but we need to do more trace element analysis to see whether or not it is.
Yeah, absolutely. And as per usual, the data is always required. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Look at that. Someone put our flyers in the bin. Well, at least they recycled it. Hello, what's your poster about?
Hello. So, first of all, I'm Julia from University College London, and my poster is about a friction experiment on unorthodox gouges and the implication for the mechanism of long run-up landslide on the moon.
And what I would say is, everyone loves an anorthosite. Look, it's Dale Martin.
Hello.
What's your poster about?
My poster, I'm presenting on behalf of Catherine Hadler at Imperial College London, and the poster is about the ISRU in situ resource utilisation topical team that's currently being set up by ESA. So the whole idea of this topical team is to come up with a universal flow sheet, an end-to-end production flow sheet for regolith on the lunar surface, characterising feedstock, excavation, beneficiation and extraction of useful elements or whatever within the regolith. There's also a universal set of terminology, so businessmen, scientists, engineers use terms in very different ways, so we're standardising those terms and then looking at the actual feedstock material, the regolith itself and its properties.
That's actually really good because, you know, I can't stand jargon. I have no idea what beneficiation is until I've just glanced down. I can now see it's storage of waste. So that's actually solved a conundrum we've been having for the past few days. So there we go. Dale?
Great.
Brilliant stuff. Well
Thank
done.
you.
Well, what a great meeting it's been. I've had a fantastic few days. Yeah. What's been your highlight?
Just all the talks, really. All the talks are fantastic poster session. Yeah, it's really fun.
Yeah. All round a very successful week, I think.
Yeah.
And if you liked our video, oh hello, Marissa.
Did you have a nice conference, John?
Yes, it was really good, thank you. I'll just say it was fantastic. What was your highlight?
Oh, I love Jim Green's words just then when he said, "Science isn't done until it's shared." That was
Yes,
adorable.
that's very true. And you know, here on the Earth and Solar System YouTube channel, we can definitely relate to that. But in the meantime, if you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time for some more content.
Bye.